Let's now review examples of settings for the submenu for color, HD power, and power Doppler ultrasound. This table lists the settings that I prefer for the submenu when using color Doppler ultrasound. Let's review these settings. Display, velocity and turbulence. Color map, 3. Frequency, lower mid. Flow resolution, mid 1. Scale, centimeters per second. Balance, high 130. Smoothing, rise 1, fall 3. Ensemble, 7. Line density, 8. Artifact suppression, off. Baseline, middle. Line filter, 7. This table lists the preferred settings for HD power Doppler. Let's review these settings. Display, not applicable. HD map, 1. Frequency, lower mid. Flow resolution, mid 1. Scale, not applicable. Balance, high 130. Smoothing, rise 1, fall 3. Ensemble, 7. Line density, 8. Artifact suppression, off. Baseline, not applicable. Line filter, 7. This table lists the preferred settings for power Doppler ultrasound. Let's review these settings. Display, not applicable. PD map, 1. Frequency, lower mid. Flow resolution, mid 1. Scale, not applicable. Balance, high 130. Smoothing, rise 1, fall 3. Ensemble, 7. Line density, 8. Artifact suppression, off. Baseline, not applicable. Line filter, 7. This section contains pearls that may be useful as you consider using color Doppler ultrasound. This is the 4-chamber view of a 24-week fetus. Do you see any evidence of an abnormality? The color Doppler demonstrates 2 findings. First, there is a pericardial effusion. Second, there is a ventricular septal defect. This is the short axis view at the level of the ventricles in a 24-week fetus. Do you see any abnormalities? The color Doppler illustrates the shunting ventricular septal defect. This is the 4-chamber view from a 30-week fetus. Do you see any abnormalities? This illustrates a shunting ventricular septal defect. This is a 35-week fetus. What is wrong with this image? This illustrates mitral regurgitation, aortic stenosis, and left to right flow across the foraminal valley. This image illustrates the color Doppler image when the PRF is 84 centimeters per second. Do you see the VSD? This is the same image when the PRF is 27. Now you see the shunting. Adjusting the PRF may alter what you see on the screen. If you would like to see the interface between the blood pool and the walls of the chambers or outflow tracts as accurately as possible, it's important to adjust the balance downwards. Here is an example in which the balance is set low using the HD power Doppler ultrasound. Notice the interface between the blood pool and the walls of the chambers and outflow tracts of the heart. This is HD power Doppler with the balance set low. Notice the interface between the blood pool and the walls of the chambers and the outflow tracts of the heart. Thank you.